Who needs the takeaway when you've got M&S Food? Feed your family my epic mushroom chow mein for under £12 this week, and it comes along with a side of these delicious spring rolls. First, we're going to mix our sauce ingredients together with just a splash of cooking water from the noodles. And just toss through, drizzle of sesame oil to stop the noodles sticking together. Now you want to get the wok super hot before we add these speciality Woodland Gold mushrooms from M&S. They're rich in flavour and firm in texture. We just want to stir fry these mushrooms a few minutes until they take on a nice bit of colour. And now we just want to take these mushrooms out, pop them on a plate, wok back on the heat, splash more oil if you need it. Now it's in with the onions. Now my favourite speedy shortcut, garlic ginger chilli. So we stir fry the onions just a minute, they get a little bit of colour, then it's in with the rest of the veggies. Look at the colours. And once that's had a few minutes, it all goes back in. Noodles, mushroom sauce, the lot. And we just give this one last toss together. Now that is done. What a way to feed your family for under £12 with 2 of your 5 a day. This Eat Well recipe is a crowd pleaser, that's for sure. And hey, don't forget about those spring rolls. Come on. Oh man, I'm off.